On this video, we will provide step-by-step instruction on how to change keyboard setting on your iPhone, including autocorrect, predictive text, and keyboard shortcuts. Why change keyboard setting? Changing your keyboard setting can greatly improve your typing speed and accuracy. By customizing your keyboard to fit your typing style, you can avoid errors and type more efficiently. Additionally, by turning off features such as autocorrect and predictive text, you can have more control over your typing and improve your accuracy. How to change keyboard setting on iPhone? Here are the step-by-step instructions for changing keyboard setting on your iPhone. Open the Setting app on your iPhone. Tap on General and then tap on Keyboard. On this you can see some function list. Here you can adjust various settings such as autocorrect, predictive text, and keyboard shortcut, and etc. like check spelling, like corrective preview, enable caps lock, and etc. To turn off predictive text, toggle the switch next to predictive text to the left. You can also do it for other function. For example, like autocorrection, you can toggle it off. So if you want to activate, you toggle it on, but if you want deactivate the function, you can toggle it off. Okay, to create a keyboard shortcut, tap on text replacement and then tap on the plus icon in the upper right corner. Enter the press you want to use and the shortcut itself. For example, I would like to type I'm good. Then the shortcut, for example, OK. Then I tap Save. On here you can see OK. The shortcut name OK and the content is the phrase I'm good. To change the keyboard language, you can tap on Keyboard and add New Keyboard. On this, you can select the language you want to add and it will be added to your keyboard option. That's it for this video on how to change keyboard setting on your iPhone for faster typing. By adjusting your keyboard setting, you can improve your typing speed and accuracy and customize your keyboard to fit your typing style. If you have any question or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye.